Hey, hey, everybody. How y'all doing? What's happening with you today? Well, we got some things going on in here. I'm still organizing. I got my things separated, and I put a dent in it yesterday. Um, just to touch on some of the things that I do, I take clothes and I refurbish clothes, repurpose them, should I say? And a friend of mine that does styling, she sent me some things that I can repurpose, and I'm going to repurpose the crap out of them. These pants, first of all, they kind of fly already because they like the real bell bottom, and they're but it's a faux leather, but I like the way it feels, so we're gonna repurpose those. I got several pair of those. We're gonna repurpose those into something really cute. But I have so much fabric, and it's not all even here. I have a storage, so it's in the storage as well. But yeah, just what we're doing today. I'm just here to to talk to say what's up. But how y'all doing? We gonna make it work. I'm putting these videos out here every day, and my numbers are going up. So we working on that. My Lord have mercy, I can't even get it out. Subscriptions are going up. I'm hoping. I had to look into my analytics and see if my views are going up. But so hopefully, we're gonna make this thing work. We're gonna work it out. We're gonna work it out. In fact, because I prayed over this. This is gonna work out. Um, but I need your help. I can't do it without y'all. I can't do it without y'all. So yeah, I'm just in my studio organizing things. I got some different fabrics. I'm gonna show y'all these different fabrics. And you know what? I'm no longer in Georgia, but I miss Georgia's Goodwill. If you in Georgia anywhere, Georgia's Goodwill have Mondays. They have a 99-cent day. Y'all need to catch that. I'm gonna show you some of these fabrics that I got. This and then these were not even fabrics. Well, of course it's fabric because it's made. This was a jacket, but look how pretty that is. I don't know if you can see the center of it has a like a sparkle in it. This is so pretty, and it's an olive green with the brown embroidery. I got so many fabrics like the jackets, and I'm telling you all this because this is something you can do, and you can take and repurpose your fabrics. This is what I do. I did go to the Goodwill in Georgia when I lived there, and they had they would have the Mondays are amazing. So I would hit different uh several different Goodwills on Mondays. And those 99-cent, I would just look for the 99-cent tags because they different colors. So I'm not sure if they still I don't know if they still have them there, y'all. It ain't been that long, so it gotta be still the same way. I'm hoping it's still the same way because I'm telling you this. But I'm telling you, I would hit them stores on Mondays and hit several different ones, and I would have, oh my gosh, about a 50, depends on how many I get, 50 to 100 different like jackets and suit jackets, especially the men's and the our plus size women. I would get their jackets and suits because it's more fabric, and the men's jackets and jeans and things like that. And you got so much fabric for $1. And when I tell you, sometimes it's better than, the fabrics that they make these suits out of is very good quality. And like this, these were some leather pants. These were some leather pants. I've already started disassembling them, but you know how leather is. It's cut in half, and pieced together because the skins are not that big, or the skins may have, holes in them or something like that. So, you know, um, they they have to piece them together. But these were a large pair, extra large, I think, size 12. But look at all of this leather that I got, and it's beautiful. It's like almost like a snakeskin leather, Oh, and I got it for $1. Beautiful jackets, different fabrics. This was a jacket. Y'all, if you are in Georgia, go to Goodwill. And this of course ain't sponsored. I'm just getting started. So I don't know nothing about no sponsorships and all that. I got to learn all that stuff. But I'm just giving you my resources. And with those resources, y'all take them and do what you can with them. Sometimes, especially in the southern states, not just Georgia, but the southern states, they're a lot more giving. And they give away, like they'll have clothing, they'll give away, sometimes they give away bags of denim. Take that stuff. I know you might see it on Facebook Market in different places. I said it before in one of my other videos about freecycle.org. I don't know how it works here where I am, but I know in Georgia, I used to do it all the time. And those things are free. All you have to do is offer something. You could offer a book. You can offer a bag full of something, just something that's just you got around the house that you're not using. Offer it, and then once you offer, you can begin to request, but you have to make sure you go pick it up when the people are asking you to come and get it. But it's so many resources out here to get free fabrics and free things like that, free furniture, free. I furnished the whole house back in 2006 off of freecycle.org. I had a complete gym in my garage, a complete gym, treadmill, weights, everything off of freecycle.org, y'all. I'm not just telling you something to go and do. I'm telling you something that I did and that I know still works. So y'all, check out these free sites. It's you know, put the pride down, put the pride down, and just go on and do it. Because sometimes you can furnish your house, you can get things for your children. If you make clothes like I do, make little do DIYs. I do a lot of DIYs. You could take things and refurbish and repurpose them. I repurposed a lot of furniture. I repurposed a lot of fabrics. So y'all, just take heed. So that's what I got for you today. I'm not gonna hold you too much. I just, I'm just being who I am, and I hope I'm bringing the energy again. I hope I'm bringing that energy because I definitely want to engage you and want to keep you coming back. Returning, returning, return unto me. Hey, return unto me. Everybody return unto me. Okay, y'all. I know y'all had enough of my singing between yesterday and today, but it's okay because that's what I do, baby. That's what I do. When a song comes to me, I'm gonna sing it, and I don't care who looking and who saying. Well, I'm gonna sing it. That's what I do. I love music. I love music. Any kind of music. Hey, okay, y'all. But I'm gonna let you go, and I will talk to y'all soon. Look out for some of my shorts because I will just be jumping in and out on those shorts, giving good information, and any resources I find out, I will definitely give them to you. I love you guys. I will talk to y'all soon.